everyone, it's Kim, the Homeschooling Grammy, and I thought it would be fun to come out here and do another unboxing. I was going to do it outside, but dagnabbit, my neighbor is out there, and they'll be like, why is she talking to herself? I mean, I talk to myself, but other people don't need to know that. So anyways, here it is. And you know what the sad part is? I don't even remember what I got. It was before we went on vacation, and so it's been sitting here for a long time, and I thought, you know what? It'll be a surprise for you, and it'll be a surprise for me. I know it's Read Aloud stuff. I know it's for homeschool, but I don't remember what I ordered. And it was from one of those used curriculum sites. So if you're interested, stick around, and we'll open it up and find out. As you see, I already started. Okay, so it was quite the hassle even to get it this far. And I'm not going to show you the other side because it has my address on it, but I can't say that she didn't package it well. The whole box is tape. It's not even a box. The whole package is tape, literally. So, okay. Are you guys as excited to find out what's in here as I am? Because like I said, I don't remember. I'm such a dork. Okay, here we go. Oh, I remember now. Okay. So we do, sorry for shaking the camera, we do read alouds with my granddaughter all the time. We always have at least 2 chapter books going every single night, plus our devotion, and plus we work on Awana verses. Because even though Awana's over, Hope really likes to keep working on her verses. And so what she does is when we go to church on Sunday is that she'll say the verses to the pastor's wife, and they sign her off, so it counts for her to keep going. So kind of fun, right? All right, so are you ready? Here we go. All these fun read alouds. I got a whole bunch of Junie B. Jones. That's what I got. And I'm excited about it because they're really fun and she likes them and they're just, you know, fun to read. So I'm going to show you what I got. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 9 of them. How exciting is that? Okay, first one. Junie B. Jones and the Stupid Smelly Bus. Junie B. Jones and A Little Monkey Business. Junie B. Jones is a beauty shop guy. Junie B. Jones loves handsome Warren. Junie B. Jones has a peep in her pocket. Junie B. Jones and that meanie Jim's birthday. Junie B. Jones has a monster under her bed. Junie B. Jones and some sneaky, peeky spying. And the last one is Junie B. Jones. They sent me 2 of the same book. I feel like deja vu. Y'all know this has happened to me before, right? Now, I didn't order 2 of the same book. This time, it's not my fault. Whoever I bought these from's fault. Junie B. Jones is a beauty shop guy. So we have 2 of these. How fun is that? Just maybe. Sorry, my glasses, they keep sliding off my face today. I had them adjusted. I think I told y'all that just recently, that I had to have them adjusted because they were too tight and they were hurting my head because of my trigeminal. Well, they're not hurting my head anymore, but now they won't stay on my face again, so it's whatever. But you know what? I just hit 400 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you all so much. And I think I might just have to do a giveaway. So, if you want to find out what that giveaway is going to be, you need to go ahead and hit that subscription button and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, and you're going to find out what my giveaway is going to be because it's coming soon. So take care, God bless, and I will talk to you again later.